Imagine if you could leave Earth today and reach another galaxy in just a few minutes. Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, maybe not. Our universe is so massive that even light takes millions of years to travel between galaxies. But what if there was a secret shortcut hiding in space? Hello friends, when we look at the night sky, one thing becomes very clear. Our universe is unimaginably huge. For example, the closest galaxy to us, Andromeda, is about 2.5 million light years away. If we travel in a spacecraft at 28,000 km per hour, it would take nearly 95 billion years to reach it. Even if we could travel at the speed of light, the journey would still take millions of years. So the big question is, what is the point of finding planets out there if we can never actually reach them? Well, maybe there is a shortcut, and this shortcut is what scientists call wormholes. What is wormholes? Think of space like a giant seed. Normally, if you want to move from point A to point B, you did travel in a straight line. But if you fold that seed and connect the two points directly, the distance suddenly becomes much shorter. That is exactly how a wormhole works. It's like a tunnel in a space-time that connects two far away places. If wormhole exists, we could, in theory, travel from one galaxy to another in just minutes instead of millions of years. Scientists also call this the Einstein-Rosen Bridge, first proposed by Einstein and Nathan Rosen in 1935. But there is a problem. To create or open a wormhole, we did need an unimaginable amount of gravity. The only object in space that could do this are black holes. Here is the catch. If a wormhole connects two black holes, we did never escape. We did just get trapped. So scientists think we did never need the opposite of a black hole at the other end. And that is where the idea of white hole comes in. What is white holes? A white hole is the complete opposite of a black hole. Black holes pulls everything inside. White holes don't let anything enter. They only throw matter and energy out. This idea was first discussed in the 1960s, and some scientists even believe that our universe itself may have started with a gigantic white holes during the Big Bang. Others say a white hole could be the final stage of a dying black hole, spitting out everything it once swallowed. But here is the reality. Till now, we have never actually seen a white hole. In 2006, there was one strange burst of light in space that some thought might be a white hole, but it was never confirmed. Wormholes in the lab. Even though wormholes in space remain a mystery, scientists have already created a kind of magnetic wormhole in a lab by using a special superconducting materials cooled with liquid nitrogen. They managed to separate magnetic poles and make the magnetic field disappear from one point and reappear at another, just like a teeny wormhole for magnetism. It is not the same as space travel, but it shows that shortcut in physics might actually be possible. Now, beyond wormholes. And if wormholes don't work, there are other ideas too, like the Alcubierre Drive, proposed in 1994. This concept suggests bending space-time itself, contracting space in front of a spaceship and expanding it behind, letting the ship move faster than light without actually breaking the speed limit of the universe. So friends, wormholes and white holes are still theories. Maybe one day we will prove them, just like we did with black holes. Until then, they remain one of the most fascinating mysteries of our universe. What do you think? Will humanity ever travel through a wormhole? Or is it something we will only see in science fiction films?